Hi, I'm Mike Evans from the Australian Security Academy. Here's some things you must know about the upcoming changes to the Certificate 3 in Investigative Services. Training qualification for licensed private investigators. There is a consultation process that will go through to mid-2017. After mid-2017 there will be no consultation process, it will be game over. So your opportunity to be involved in making positive contribution to improve training for Certificate 3 Investigative Services throughout Australia is now. So what needs to be done? Well, first you need to be consulted as a licensed private investigation professional, because if you're not, you're going to be shouted down by security guards who know nothing about what you do, have no idea about your industry and pretend that they do, and they will be listened to by the consultant. So don't let that happen. It's happened in the last two consultation processes, and our qualification has been watered down and made less relevant as a result of that. Why did that happen? The security training organisation shouted us down, and they wanted to make the transition to easy government funding and less complex training so they could do that and pretend they knew all about investigations and conduct Certificate 3 investigations training and get government funding for it. It's been a slash and burn policy by those organisations, and it's been supported by the big security associations throughout Australia. So here's your chance to get involved, add improvements to our qualification. Instead of complaining about the ability of newly graduated investigators, instead of moaning and complaining about how they're not up to speed and how it never happens, well, I know it happens in police. They're not murder investigations when they come out of their training course. I understand that. And I know it happens in other fields too. But how can you add to the improvement of this training? It's up to you. Get on RTBus's forum, they're the consultants, get involved, demand to be involved, and have your say on improvements to training. I'm Mike Evans from the Australian Security Academy.